Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to bypass Google Drive download limits error fix. To bypass the Google quota exceed error on Google Drive, the most effective method is to create a shortcut and download it as a part of a folder. This forces Google Drive to zip the content, which effectively bypasses the individual files download restriction. So to do so, first of all, go ahead and open your Google Drive. Now, once you've opened your Google Drive, what you can do is, if the file is small enough to fit in your remaining storage, make a direct copy. Often clears the quota error. So what you can do is, you'll find this option right next to your file. Tap on this three-dotted icon. From there, you will find this option called make a copy. Go ahead and tap on it, and from there, choose yourself a location where you want to put your copied file. Now, once you've done so, what you can do is go ahead and once again tap on that specific file and tap on this download button. And this should bypass your Google Drive download limits error if you have small files. But if you have larger files, what you can do is use the multi-select bypass. Add the restricted file to your steered section by tapping on your specific file, and you will find this option called add to steered. Go ahead and place it to that section. Now, what you can do is select the restricted file and any other small random file in your drive by holding Shift key if you are in PC. However, in mobile devices, what you can do is go ahead and long press on it, and once you've done so, what you can do is go ahead and tap on this three-dotted icon located at the top right, then tap on this download button, and all your files should be downloaded together. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.